Our goal has never been to make the most. It's always been to make the best. Work takes on new meaning when you feel you are pointed in the right direction. Otherwise, it's just a job, and life is too short for that. Life is fragile. We're not guaranteed a tomorrow, so give it everything you've got. Let your joy be in your journey, not in some distant goal. I learned that focus is key. Not just in your running a company, but in your personal life as well. You want to be the pebble in the pond that creates the ripple for change. In the world of cybersecurity, the last thing you want is to have a target painted on you. You can focus on things that are barriers, or you can focus on scaling the wall or redefining the problem. Those who try to achieve success without hard work ultimately deceive themselves, or worse, deceive others. I am driven by great work and seeing people do incredible things and having a part in that. Creativity is people who care enough to keep thinking about something until they find the simplest way to do it. You can only do so many things great, and you should cast aside everything else. Intuition is critical in virtually everything you do. But, without relentless preparation and execution, it is meaningless. We do a lot of things for reasons besides profit motive. We want to leave the world better than we found it. We do a lot of things for reasons besides profit motive. We want to leave the world better than we found it. I learned that focus is key. Not just in your running a company, but in your personal life as well. Anything can change, because the smartphone revolution is still in the early stages.